Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer your Chrome bookmarks to a different computer, so let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your current computer. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see three vertical dots. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. In this menu, hover your mouse over the option that says Bookmarks and Lists. This will expand a submenu showing you all your bookmark-related features. From this submenu, click on Open Bookmarks Manager. This action will take you to a dedicated page where Chrome displays all your saved bookmarks and bookmark folders in an organized view, making it easy to manage everything you've saved over time. Now that you're in the Bookmarks Manager, look at the upper right corner of this page. You'll notice another set of three dots there. Click on these three dots to open another menu specific to bookmark management. From this menu, select Export Bookmarks. This is the key feature that allows you to save all your bookmarks into a single file that you can transfer to another computer. After clicking Export Bookmarks, a Save dialog window will appear on your screen. Here you can input a name for your bookmarks file. Choose something descriptive like Chrome Bookmarks or My Bookmarks so you can easily identify it later. Once you've named your file, click the Save button to complete the export process. Your bookmarks are now saved as an HTML file that contains all your bookmark data in a portable format. At this point, you have several options for transferring this file. You can save it to a flash drive, upload it to cloud storage, or send it to your email address so you can access it from your other computer. Choose whichever method works best for you to get the file onto your second computer. Now, move to the other computer where you want to import these bookmarks. Open Google Chrome on this second computer and repeat the initial steps. Click the three dots in the upper right corner, hover your mouse over Bookmarks and Lists, and then click Open Bookmarks Manager just like you did before. Once you're in the Bookmarks Manager on this second computer, click the three dots in the upper right corner again. This time, instead of exporting, you'll click Import Bookmarks from the menu that appears. A file browser window will open, allowing you to navigate to where you saved your bookmarks file. Select the bookmarks file you exported earlier and confirm your selection. And that's it. All your bookmarks from your original computer are now imported and available in Chrome on your new computer, maintaining all your folder structures and organization. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.